Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller if it's not working in REANIMAL on PC. If your gamepad is not being detected, not responding, or inputs aren't registering, just follow these solutions step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find REANIMAL, right-click it, and select Properties. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Now look for the Override for REANIMAL drop-down menu. Set it to Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same menu and change it to Disable Steam Input instead. Then launch the game again and test it. Sometimes switching between enabling and disabling Steam Input fixes the issue immediately. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Find External Gamepad Settings. Now only enable the controller support that matches the controller you are using. If you're using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If that doesn't work, try disabling it instead. If you're using a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation controller support. Set it to Not Enabled first. If that doesn't work, try Enable in games without support. If you're using a Switch controller or a generic controller, adjust those settings the same way. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox controller. After adjusting the correct setting, launch the game and test your controller. Solution 3. Click on the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad in the list. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Now launch REANIMAL and see if it works. Solution 4. Open Device Manager again. Right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your controller driver from the list and click Next. Wait for the driver installation to complete. Once finished, restart your PC. Then launch the game and test your controller. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix the controller not working issue in REANIMAL on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.